Friends, welcome to My Dreams Academy, Dilsukh Nagar, Hyderabad. As a part of differential equation, most expected questions. So I am going to give you promise that we are doing 50 questions from the differential equation. From these 50 questions, you will definitely get 10 questions in the examination. Okay. So in the first topic is from basics, that is order and degree of the differential equation. I have given you 6 questions from order and degree of the differential equation, and the second topic is elimination of arbitrary constants. Okay, from this also I have given 6 questions, and the next topic is solution for differential equations of first order first degree differential equation. The first subtopic is variable separable. Variable separable method. Okay na? Total differential equation nundi 50 questions istunnanu. Deentlo nundi we can expect 100%. Okay, so in this the first topic is order and degree of the differential equation. So our topic nundi nenu 6 questions ichchanu. Next, elimination of arbitrary constant. Our topic nundi 6 questions ichchanu. Next, solution of the differential equation. So దీంట్లో ఫస్ట్ సబ్ టాపిక్ వచ్చేసి వేరియబుల్ సెపరబుల్ మెథడ్. దీని నుండి నేను 7 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇస్తున్నాను. I am going to give you 7 questions from this variable separable method. Okay, so we are going to see the 7 questions from variable separable method. So first of all, మనం variable separable method అనేది ఏంటి ఒకసారి మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేద్దాం. Okay, so any differential equation contain f of x, the function f of x, as well as f of y and dx dy terms. Okay, ఈ 4 terms అనేది మనకి any differential equation contains. Okay, if we can able to separate like this, so function of f of x dx one side and function of y dy one side, if we can able to separate like this, okay, then the variable separable method is applicable. ఎక్కడైతే ఏ డిఫరెన్షియల్ ఈక్వేషన్ లో అయితే వేరియబుల్స్ అనేది మనం ఇలా సెపరేట్ చేయగలుగుతామో వేరియబుల్ సెపరబుల్ మెథడ్ అనేది అప్లికేబుల్ అవుతుంది. అదర్వైజ్ ద వేరియబుల్ సెపరబుల్ మెథడ్ ఈస్ నాట్ అప్లికేబుల్. నౌ వి ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు సీ ద క్వశ్చన్స్. The first question is dy by dx is equals to y by x. dy by dx is equals to y by x. Okay, so this is y component, and denominator is x component, and the differential coefficient is dx. Here the differential coefficient is dy. dy by dx is equals to y by x. Can I able to separate the variables? Yes, I can able to separate the variables. dy by y is equals to dx by x. Okay, so now solution ela cheyali. So integrate on the both sides. dy by y, so 1 by y dy is log y, which is equals to 1 by x dx, that is log x, plus we'll get one constant, that is log c. మనకు ఒక కాన్స్టెంట్ వస్తుంది ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేసినప్పుడు. y is equals to, so log x, ఇక్కడ log x plus log c మనం ఈ విధంగా రాసుకోవచ్చు. log xc, log get cancel, so it will give cx. y is equals to cx. In some question they will extend to something. Okay, so adentidi, it is related to initial values. So ఈ initial values అంటే ఏంటి సార్ అంటే y of 1 is equals to 1, ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇస్తే that is called ఇనిషియల్ వాల్యూస్. ఓకే సార్, మరి ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ని మనం ఎలా యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకోవాలి అంటే, సో x వాల్యూ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1, x వాల్యూ 1 అయినప్పుడు so y value is equals to 1. If x value is equals to 1, then y value is equals to 1. So substitute that information in this the final equation. So you will get the arbitrary constant value. So y is equals to 1, x is equals to 1. So c is equals to 1. Now the final solution is y is equals to x. Y is equals to x. Like this we can able to solve the first question. Next. Second question, that is dy by dx is equals to 1 plus y square by 1 plus x square. Okay, now can I able to separate the variables? Yes, I can able to separate the variables. Dy by 1 plus y square is equals to dx by 1 plus x square. Integrate both sides. 1 by 1 plus y square, this will give tan inverse of y, which is equals to 1 by 1 plus x square, tan inverse of x plus c. This is the final solution. If we wanted to write in terms of y is equals to tan inverse x plus c. Okay, this is the question number 2. Now we are going to see question number 3. So that is dy by dx is equals to 1 plus x square plus y square plus x square y square. సార్ ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ని మనం వేరియబుల్ సెపరబుల్ మెథడ్ లో చేయొచ్చా? ఒక్కసారి మనం జాగ్రత్తగా గమనిద్దాం. ఓకే, dy by dx is equals to 1 plus x square. Here we have y square and here we have x square plus x square into y square. Take y square common from this. So you will get 1 plus x square. So 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square. Take common 1 plus x square. So dy by dx. Now we can able to separate the variables. Dy by 1 plus y square, which is equals to 1 plus x square into dx. 1 plus x square into dx. Integrate both sides. Dy by 1 plus y square, it will give tan inverse of y. So integration of 1 plus x square. So integration of 1 will give x. Integration of x square, that is x cube by 3 plus. This is the question number 3. Now we are going to see question number 4. Can we able to separate the variables in the question number 4? That is e power x tan y dx plus 1 minus e power plus x secant square y dy. Secant square y dy. Okay, now so e power x tan y dx is equals to, I am sending this to our right side, okay, which is equals to 0. I am sending this to our right side. E to the power of x minus 1 secant square y dy. Now we can able to separate the variables. That is e power x minus 1 dx, which is equals to secant square y by tan y dy. Now integrate both sides. So f dash x by f of x, f dash x by f of x will give log f of x, that is log e power x minus 1, which is equals to secant square divided by tan y. Okay, so differentiation of tan x will give secant square x. So f dash x by f of x, so it will give log tan y plus, okay, if all the terms in the differential equation in terms of log, we can able to take constant value as a lag sign. Next, e to the power of x minus 1, which is equals to log a log b. So c into tan y. So this is the question number 4. Now we are going to see question number 5. The question number 5 is dy by dx 2xy is equals to x. dy by dx is equals to, take x common from this, 1 plus 2y. Okay, so separate the variables. Dy by 1 plus 2y is equals to x into dx. Integrate the both sides. So 1 by 1 plus 2y. I can able to write like this, 1 by 2 into 2. Now f dash x by f of x. So it will give 1 by 2 log 1 plus 2y, which is equals to x square by 2 plus c. This is the final solution. And next one, question number 6. The sixth question is dy by dx is equals to 4x plus y plus 1 whole square. Sir, can we able to separate the variables? No. So because of that, I am doing like this. That is 4x plus y plus 1 is equals to t. I am assuming that 4x plus y plus 1 is equals to t, and to differentiate this with respect to x. So it will give 4 plus dy by dx is equals to dt by dx. So dy by dx is equals to dt by dx minus 4. Substitute this total information in the action question. So dt by dx minus 4, which is equals to 4x plus y plus 1 whole square will give t. So t square dt divided by dx is equals to t square plus 4. Now separate the variables. dt by t square plus 4, which is equals to dx. Integrate on both sides. So integration of 1 by t square plus 2 square. So integration of 1 by x square plus a square. So it will give 1 by a, that is 1 by 2, tan inverse of x by a, that is t by 2, is equals to x plus c. But t is equals to 4x plus y plus 1. Substitute in this equation. 1 by 2 tan inverse t value is 4x plus y plus 1 divided by 2, which is equals to x plus c. This is the final equation for the sixth question. Now we are going to see seventh question. The seventh question is x square. So dy by dx e to the power of 3x e to the power of minus 2y, which is plus x square e to the power of minus 2y, e to the power of minus 2y, e to the power of minus 2y. Take common. dy by dx is equals to e to the power of minus 2y, x square plus e to the power of 3x. Okay. So separate the variables. dy by e to the power of minus 2y, which is equals to x square plus e to the power of 3x into dx. Integrate both sides. So it will give e to the power of plus 2y divided by 2. Okay, e to the power of minus 2y and numerator get e to the power of plus 2y. So e to the power of 2y by 2, which is equals to x cube, and e to the power of 3x, e to the power of 3x divided by 3 plus c. Okay, this is what 7 questions from variable separable method. 7 questions from variable separable method. Total I have given 6 questions from order and degree, and 6 questions from elimination of arbitrary constant, that is nothing but formation of formation of differential equation from a normal equation. Thereafter from variable supplemental method 7 questions. Okay, 6 6 12 12 plus 7 total we have done 19 questions, and the remaining 31 questions we'll see from the remaining other topics of a differential equation. And we will going to we will going to schedule more videos related to expected questions and related to previous year questions, and ఎవరికైతే మనకి టఫ్ టాపిక్స్ ఉంటాయో దాని మీద కూడా we are going to plan new videos. Okay, for that you need to do one thing, that is you go to My Dreams Academy YouTube channel and you subscribe that channel. And if you have any information regarding ESET as well as AE examination and sub-engineer examination, JLM examination, you go to My Dreams Academy app. You download the My Dreams Academy app. You can ask any questions regarding this examination, and also we will give one contact number in the description. You can contact to our institute. Thank you all.